Body Mass Index (BMI) estimates body fat based on height and weight. This index doesn't measure the fat directly but determines its approximate limit with an equation. With BMI, you can determine how much you are underweight or overweight. A high BMI indicates too much body fat, while a low BMI means you have low body fat. The higher your BMI, the higher your chances of developing certain heart diseases such as high blood pressure and diabetes. A very low BMI can also cause some problems such as bone loss, decreased immune system function, and anemia. While BMI can be helpful in screening children and adults for body weight, this index also faces limitations. For example, BMI may overestimate body fat in athletes and other people with high muscle mass. BMI can also underestimate body fat gain in older people and those who have lost muscle mass. Body Mass Index Calculation Formula. BMI is calculated by dividing people's weight, in kilograms, by their height, in meters, to the power of 2. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, offers a simple online BMI calculator for children and adolescents ages 2 to 19, and adults ages 20 and older. To calculate your BMI, you enter your height in meters, and your weight in kilograms. These calculators also provide weight status graphs, to help you interpret the results. The BMI of all people of any age is calculated similarly. However, BMI will be interpreted differently for adults and children. Body Mass Index for adults. People 20 years old and above can check their BMI according to the following weight classifications. These are the same for men and women of all ages and body types. Below 18.5 is underweight. 18.5 to 24.5 is normal. 25 to 29.5 is fat. Over 30 is overweight. Relationship between body mass index and health. According to the U.S. National Institutes of Health, more than 2 out of 3 adults are overweight, and 1 out of 3 are considered obese. About 17% of children and adolescents, 2 to 19 years old, are considered obese. Excess weight occurs as a result of an energy imbalance. The body needs a certain amount of energy to perform its activities. This energy comes from food calories. If the calories consumed are the same as the calories you take in, your weight will stay the same. But if you take in more calories than you burn, you will gain weight over time. Energy imbalance is undoubtedly one of the most significant factors in weight gain. However, your ideal weight is primarily determined by your genetics, the types of foods you eat, and how much you exercise. If you have a high BMI, it's important to lower it to stay at a healthy weight. A high body mass index is associated with the risk of developing serious diseases such as heart disease, high blood pressure, liver disease, arthritis, diabetes, stroke, gallstone, and certain cancers, including breast, colon, and kidney cancer. However, a new study suggests that body fat, not BMI, is more closely related to these health risks. You can lose body fat and reach a healthier weight by exercising at least 3 times a week. You should also follow certain eating habits, such as eating only when you're hungry and consciously choosing a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. You can also get help from a nutritionist. With the help of this expert, you will learn what foods to eat and what to limit to lose weight. Just as a high BMI can be problematic, a shallow body mass index can also be associated with some problems such as bone loss, weakening of the immune system, heart problems, and iron deficiency. So if you have a low BMI, be sure to consult your doctor. If needed, increasing the amount of food you eat each day or reducing your physical activity can help you gain weight. A nutritionist can also teach you how to gain weight in a healthy way. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.